Hey guys, welcome again in my another video. So today we're gonna learn about the most popular Indian traditional street food recipe. We can call it Pani Puri or Fuchka. It's one of my favorite. Okay, so before start the video, I have a request. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, cause we always try to explain about quality food and recipes easily. Okay, let's get started for the video. All the things we're gonna need to make this. First of all, you need some Fuchka shapes. You can collect them from local market or order from online. Link in the description. I will try to make another video on this topic, how to make this type of shapes at home. So if you're interested about that, please comment in this video. Okay, put some oil. More than 1 cup potato, 1 cup pea. Mix this well. Half cup onion, 1 tablespoon Chotpoti mixed masala, 1 teaspoon dried chilli molasses, 1 teaspoon green pepper, 1 teaspoon coriander leaves, salt as required. Mix this well. Add some Fuchka shapes and that's it. Again mix this well. Now we will make the show liquid, so therefore we're gonna need 3 teaspoon water, 2 teaspoon tamarind liquid, half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon dried chilli molasses, some lemon juice and that's it. Now mix this well. Now it's time to dispensing. Put some blended cucumbers. And some blended egg. That's it. Our fuchka is ready. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching.